This is the 7-year update of our Dacor downdraft. We still love it. It's still down here, very sleek. You can't even see it. I'll hit the button because I'm going to start cooking. After 7 years, I will say it is very, very awesome for concealing itself and then raising up when we need it. It's very high. It's one of the highest downdrafts. These do pop out. I'm sure we can reset the springs on these little things. They do pop out, but it doesn't really affect anything. It still goes up and down. Just make sure you clean this little area. I mean, after 7 years, it's perfect. We can't complain. Dacor makes a really good product, I think, and it's very sleek. Goes up and down. Only thing you gotta be careful is when you're cooking, you do like this, but when you bring it down, if this was there, it would catch it and it would damage it. So you gotta be super careful not to have anything around it. It's something we've learned. So you gotta pull it this way when you're dropping it down. So just gotta be careful of that. And of course you clean it off when you're done cooking. But all in all, Dacor makes an amazing product. 7 years, no issues. It's been amazing. Thank you, Dacor. This is the outside piece of the puzzle. You can see the pipe that goes under the foundation and goes up where the stove is. They brought it out here. And then this is the outside blower motor. And of course my daughter has been putting rocks in it as usual. But despite all this abuse, this is the flap door here. There's a flap that comes down. You can see it right in this area. It opens when it turns on, and it's spring loaded so it closes. I do have birds that try to make nesting here. They're a little wren. But after 7 years, it's pretty good. These might have to paint these little screws, but after 7 years, it's holding up fairly well. And that's the outside part of the Dacor downdraft. So when you're done cooking, pull it away and then just wipe to clean it off. And then just hit the button. And that's the Dacor downdraft. 7-year owner's review. We love it.